This is not the first time Congress party and Gandhi Nehru family denied the invitation to participation in the consecration program of the Ram Lala in Ayodhya. This is not the first time. It was happened before too. When after the independence, when Somnath temple that is situated in the Gujarat, that was rebuilt by the Hindus during 1950-1951, the Mandir Trust, Somnath Temple Mandir Trust, invited India's, at that time, the President of the India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and the then Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, for the procreation program of the Somnath Temple. But Nehruji denied it. And Nehruji not only denied it, but he did not want Dr. Rajendra Prasad would go there. And he wrote a letter to the Mandir Trust. Such a program, it is not good for the image of the India in the foreign. When, I want to say that, when after the partition of the India is divided into two nations on the basis of the religion. Pakistan is made for the Musliman in the name of the Islam, and Hindustan or Bharat or India made for the Hindus. Then why cannot we can make a temple where that temple is situated in a time immemorial? And that's the Somnath temple. Who built the Somnath temple? Nobody knows. But it was destructed by the Ghazni, the ruler of the Ghazni, that's name is the Mahmud Ghaznavi, in 1026. So after that, how can it be possible? At that time, during the independence, during the 1950-51, the Muslims was only 5 to 7% in India. And that was restrained by the Gandhiji to live here. At that time, when India cannot become a Hindu Rashtra, then how can it be possible at this time? When Muslims at this time 30% in the population. But Nehruji did not go in that program. And Rajendra Prasad would go. And there is a rift created between Nehruji and Rajendra Prasad. And that was the result. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was not chosen the second tenure of the presidential chief of the India. This was the reason behind it. And when 1026, this temple was destructed by the Mahmud Ghaznavi, and then after 1299, Alak Khan also once again destroyed this temple, Somnath temple. But in 1308, it was rebuilt by the Kumar Pala. There was a king. But it was once again destructed by the 1395. In 1395, by the Muzaffar Shah first. After that, nobody had come to rebuild the Somnath temple. And their ruins, that was once again destructed by the Aurangzeb, Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, in 1665. But after the independence, when India divided into two nations on the basis of the religion, so it was the must necessary. Somnath temple was at this time is the first Jyotirling of the Lord Shiva. And it was rebuilt by the Hindus. And that invitation would not accepted by our first Prime Minister, Nehruji. So this was the reason behind it.